Guys, what's up? The pigeon guy here. I'm again here with a video, another awesome one. Let's get it, guys. Here, guys, nice birders getting a fight there. There's two I recently just wean. There's one and there's one here. That one there. There's one here. There's melee. Yeah, red, I would say. But yeah, let's go through, guys. There's two there. This one is not there, baby. I just swapped it. So yeah, that one is there, baby. Yeah, this one is nice. She's on the egg, I think. Yeah, she is late again. She's late again, guys. She's awesome. I'm just chilling here, guys. Everybody just chilling here. Just go through, guys. There, guys. Here's also eggs. Another pair. Here also on two eggs. This is the three I must win, guys. That two is going to somebody. This one just here for myself. This new pair. This is amazing and I got there, guys. Get in there. So the flash is on, guys. But yeah, this is amazing in there. But it's also a great cook. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into my videos. Thanks for everything, guys. Thanks just for the support. This big bull. And yeah, guys. Thanks for everything. And please subscribe and comment, like. Peace, guys. Enjoy your day, your night, wherever you are in the world.